this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this accordion card with the Hello Harvest bundle, part of the Rustic Harvest suite. This is a fun card that I came across the other day, and I figured out my own scoring measurements, but I thought it would be cool with this paper to create a sort of growing garden of flowers here using the Rustic Harvest Designer Series paper. So that is part of the Hello Harvest. Well, the Hello Harvest bundle is part of the Rustic Harvest suite, which also includes these leaf label and amber gems, and of course the designer series paper. And each design has black and white on the back that you can color or just use as is. And also there's the embossing kit, which includes the brush, the reverse tweezers, the embossing buddy, and the tray that's part of the suite as well. Super cool. Not the Versamark though, but I just keep the Versamark in there. Okay, this card is pretty simple. I wanted to show you some other simple cards first using this paper. Basically, I just took the paper and cut it and mounted it on different pieces of cardstock. So we've got Mossy Meadow, Cajun Craze, Mary Merlot, and Basic Black. And so I just wanted to see what each looked like. And so I think they're really cool. And then you could add a sentiment down here, and there you have a set of cards. Super easy to do. So for this card, this is the pattern right here that I have. I have scored, so this is 10 3/4 long. So I just cut off a quarter, and it is 4 1/4 tall. And I've scored at 3, 4 3/8, 6 1/2, and 7 3/4. And then I've just folded it back and forth to create kind of an accordion effect that I can put my DSP on. So I have used Mary Merlot paper. So I'm going to fold on all of my score lines here. And that creates the card, very easy and simple. And then I'm going to attach all of my pieces. So these two pieces I cut from the same paper. You can see how they line up. So you definitely want to make sure that you cut the papers so that they will line up. So this piece is 2 3/4 by 4 by 2 3/4, I should say. Everything is 4 inches wide. And then for this one, I'm only gonna put adhesive here. I need to skip that panel right there and not put any adhesive right there. Otherwise I will glue the card shut basically. And so this is the growing part right here. So this is gonna grow, come out and grow. And then our last piece is just gonna go up here, and it covers the whole thing to disguise it and make it look like just a regular old card. And basically that's all I did, is I added designer series paper. I'm gonna add a sentiment later. You could add a sentiment later, but here's the growing, super fun. But you could use any of the stylish shapes dies or rectangle shapes dies. And then the last thing that I did was add a little sentiment here at the bottom. So I just added this little sentiment at the bottom, "You are missed." And I'll just add that with the dimensional. Well. And so that is my accordion growing card which is part of the free card kit that you'll receive when you purchase this bundle, consisting of supplies for these 6 cards. We've got an easel fold card and a fun fold accordion card, and of course this growing card. So just use the current host code and email me and let me know that you would like this kit, and I would love to send it right out to you. Thanks so much for watching this video tutorial using the Hello Harvest bundle. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like the video and leave me a comment and let me know. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys later. Bye.